Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gaurav. Today I am excited to share with you the latest updates of GoodNotes. In this video, I'll be mainly talking about the new feature of GoodNotes, basically audio recording and flashcards. So let's begin. GoodNotes has just added a new feature for audio recording within the app. This is perfect for those who prefer to take notes while recording their lectures, meeting, or any other important events. This feature is long overdue by GoodNotes, but it's always better late than never. To start recording, simply tap the microphone icon in the toolbar and GoodNotes will start recording audio alongside with your notes. You can pause or stop the recording at any time, and when you are done, the audio file will be automatically saved alongside with your notes. Recently, I uploaded a shorts regarding this update, but many of users asked me about how can I share the audio. So there is no option for sharing the audio. Even for now, you can't rename the audio file. And you cannot recover it if you delete it accidentally. Also, there is no speedometer to listen the audio faster. Hope the GoodNotes push an update resolving all these issues. So let's talk about another exciting update, the introduction of flashcard in GoodNotes. You can now create and study flashcard right within the app. This is perfect for those who are preparing for examination and just want to memorize new information. To create a flashcard, simply tap the create new or add icon in the document, similar to how you create new notebooks. Then select study set, give the title if you want, tap on create and enter your question and answer. You can add image, text, and even you can write with your pencil as I am writing right now. Then tap on the study icon to test your knowledge and see how you are doing. After clicking on practice, you can see your question, and by one tap on question, you can see the answer also. So that's it for today's video on the latest updates of GoodNotes for audio recording and flashcard. I hope you found this video very informative. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.